Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora turned up over here at Halwara Airport to inspect the working. And some industrialists have also come up here at Halwara Airport to see the airport, the works over here. So we will try to talk to some of the industrialists. So starting with Kamal Oswalji. Sir, Halwara Airport is almost ready. How you see this development?
No, it was a very good experience. Today we have seen the coming up of the airport, and now I am sure that within 1 or 2 years, 2 months maximum, within 2 months, the airport will start functioning. And with the functioning of this airport, the whole infrastructure, it would boost to the industry of Ludhiana, and apart from the industry, other people would also have benefits.
So, like you said that it will give a boost to the industry. How it will give the boost to the industry? How it is beneficial for the industry?
You see, there are two ways it will give boost. One is for the people, to buyers, customers to come and visit our factories to meet us, and regarding us, we can also go. Our people can also go, and apart from this, this can also be a, you can say, cargo terminal can also be. I have heard that it would be also cargo terminal would be also there. So there would be export of you can say garments, export of other products also, which are lightweights from Punjab, from Ludhiana, from Halwara. Apart from this, some fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers. There is also very good demand. There is a very good exporter who is exporting a lot of flowers from Malerkotla. So he can. So this would be very easy for him to export. So overall, there would be a huge benefit for the people, industry, and overall benefit to the Ludhiana particularly.
Right. Sir, for how long you were waiting for airport in Ludhiana?
You see, earlier Ludhiana had means 30 years back, it has a very small airport, very small connectivity was there. But now, for the last 20 years, there was no airport. So we had to go to either Chandigarh or Amritsar or Delhi, to wherever we have to go. But now, means Ludhiana being a you can say largest city in terms of industrial development, so it was surprising that it did not have any airport. But now, after 20 years, the dream has been fulfilled.
So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.